What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Big Money Mindset YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to be going over more breaking news with the NIO stock. It looks like NIO is potentially building up a smaller factory in addition to the factory that they're working in right now. We're going to take a look at those articles. It's very exciting news. We will also be taking a look at the charts with NIO, give you some more bullish price predictions, and just see where NIO is overall headed in the future. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. People are learning very fast on how to grasp call options and how to limit your risk. We've been doing very solid these past couple of months. If you want to read up on the reviews, be sure to head to the Instagram, the Big Money _mindset Instagram. There's tons and tons of reviews. Read up on the summary in the bio and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. Guys, right now, before we get into this video, NIO is hovering around $61.05 post NIO day. Very solid. If you guys have been following my channel for the past 2 to 3 months, I've been throwing out some bullish price predictions. I said NIO could hit potentially $70, right around NIO day, post NIO day. We hit around $66. I was very close, guys, about $4 off. So my predictions were pretty solid. I have been recommending further call options for NIO for the ongoing months. I really do think we can hit, that 120 price range, by April, May. This is definitely possible. And by the end of the year, with the direction that they are headed, I think that we can hit, that $200 price range. It's very possible if they keep hitting these sales records for like 6 months, 5 months in a row, guys. I mean, they continue to bust out records every month. We just seen the largest increase the previous month when they hit 7,000 vehicles, up from like 5,300. That was an amazing volume increase. So it's just remember, the stock price is always going to be based around, revenue, and the revenue is going to come from the sales. So just remember that. I want you guys to know I did buy more NIO yesterday. I bought another $3,000 worth of NIO stock. I put it in a long-term growth stock portfolio. So even though this stock's going up, if I got more money I feel confident in putting in the market, I'm buying more NIO. But right now you can see I got 500 shares in this portfolio, hovering around 22 bucks. A nice little $19,000 gain. This is baby gains compared to where we're going to be at in the next 2, 3, 4 years, guys. That's what it's all about. And I just want you guys to understand a little bit about psychology. And I want you to know, before we get into this article, it's a very exciting article. You're going to be very pleased with the information I'm going to bring to you. But just a little thing about psychology in the stock market. Nobody really wanted to go all in, on the Tesla stock, when it was in that $300-$500 range. Nobody wanted to go all in on Tesla. But everybody wanted to go all in on Tesla when it hit $2,000, guys, because they think it's a great place to put their money in. So just understand that it's all about psychology. So the higher this stock gets, the more and more comfort and security people will have with this stock, and they will want to go longer term, put in, safety net in, their money, from their savings. They'll put more money in to this stock the higher it goes. That's just the way it goes with psychology. You've seen it happen with multiple stocks: Google, Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, the list goes on. The higher stocks go, people feel more confident putting their money in. You saw it happen just last year in 2020 with Tesla. It surged from like 500 bucks to 2,500 in a matter of months. So just understand, the higher that this bad boy goes, the more confident people will get. It's just psychology in the stock market. It happens to several other stocks. Just understand, this one is just beginning. I just bought more. I got like 500-600 shares now. I feel very confident and where NIO is headed in the future. And if you do want more call option opportunities, I'm playing like 10 companies right now. Be sure to read the link in the bio, read up on the summary, and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. If you shoot me a DM, I'm going to send you my top 5 buys right now. There's a lot of opportunity in the market. I'm getting very excited. Check out this article that just came out last night. NIO may build second plant in Hefei. Guys, this is very exciting news. Chinese electrical vehicle maker NIO may build a new plant in Hefei next to the existing JAC NIO plant, according to a recent government document. A tender document dated December 24 shows that the Hefei Economic and Technological Development Zone's key project construction management center is seeking bids for the plant construction project with an estimated contract value of 18 million. That's the Chinese dollars. The project includes clearing the surface and leveling the earth for the JAC NIO manufacturing base. The planned construction period for the above stage of the project is 60 days. So guys, this is just a matter of time. They're getting in the works of building a potential plant, guys. This is very exciting news. You know what that means. That means more production. We'll take a look at this quick picture they had below just to give you guys an understanding before we read more up on the summary. So this is the current JAC manufacturing plant, and right here you can see this is a smaller plant. This is not going to be like a gigafactory like the Tesla gigafactory. This looks like a smaller plant, potentially maybe 75% the size of the current plant right here. And you can see they're going to be building it side by side. This is great for production. I believe this plant can handle production volume up until 10 to 12,000 vehicles per month. So they're looking like they're trying to ramp up. There's no telling how many vehicles this plant right here could get. Potentially, I'm just going to give a guess. Potentially 4 to 5,000 vehicles. If we're going off the size of this plant. So 5,000 vehicle production. By the end of 2021 when this thing gets rolling. There's no telling how high of a production NIO could get to by the end of the year. Remember, I'm giving out that bullish, super bullish price target, guys. $200 by New Year's next year. It's a crazy bullish prediction, but it all depends on stuff like this. Production ramping up with another small plant. So there's just no telling what's going to happen. As you can see right here, NIO delivered a total of 7,000 new vehicles in December, the 5th consecutive month with a record number of deliveries in a single month. They keep ramping up, guys. That's what it's all about. December delivery volume increased 32.4% compared to November and 121% compared to the same month last year. This is also the 9th consecutive month since April that NIO has achieved a year-over-year growth rate of more than 100%. It's very exciting news, guys. Like I said before, the psychology with Tesla, you've seen it happen last year in 2020. People want to buy Tesla at $2,000, but people don't want to buy Tesla at $500. This is what it's all about. It's all about getting in early. We know that China is going to have the largest market of EV sales, for the next 5 years, gradually switching their country over to the EV side. It's just a very exciting time for NIO. I wanted to bring this article to your attention as soon as possible. This is on the cnevpost.com. These guys do go over to China. They do interviews with NIO. This is a very good website. I want you guys in on it. I'm going to be keeping you updated with multiple posts that they are busting out. Once again, it's such an early time frame with NIO. We're hovering around $61 right now. Just hit a high of $66, guys. Very exciting times. It's great to buy in right now on a pullback. I bought in on the pullback. Once again, be sure to follow the bigmoney_mindset Instagram. I'm going to be posting more on here. You can read up on all the reviews on how people are doing inside of the Patreon. That's my VIP call options listing I do every Sunday, 4 times per month. There's amazing opportunity inside of the Patreon, and a lot of these companies are boiling up right now, getting ready to take off. That's what it's all about, getting in early. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. NIO is an amazing company. They are headed in the right direction. They are doing everything right. There's no telling how big the sales production can get by the end of this year. I'm going to stick to my bullish price prediction of $200 by the New Year's of next year. Very excited time, guys. It's all about getting in early and hitting it big for the long term. It's all about patience, guys. That's what I preach inside of my Patreon. Patience and timing will help you achieve financial freedom. That's what it's all about. Once again, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thanks. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.